So you might be in a situation where for some reason Amazon, the application, is just not sending you notifications. Maybe you're supposed to be getting notifications inside of Amazon, they're supposed to be sending you some things. For some reason, it's just not working whatsoever. Now, the very first thing I'd recommend doing is to just go through and make sure you basically have your Amazon notifications turned on. So make your way over to your settings application of iPhone, Android, whatever you have, and scroll down until you find the notifications panel, which is right over here. So tap on notifications, and you want to scroll down until you find Amazon. So find the Amazon application, let's just say this was Amazon, and you want to make sure your notifications are turned on. That is the first thing I'd recommend doing. That's the easiest thing to do, and that will probably end up fixing the problem, hopefully for a lot of people. That doesn't end up doing it, the next thing I'd recommend doing is to make sure you don't have like do not disturb or like focus mode or anything like that on your device. So what you can do is you can swipe down and right over here where it basically says, do not disturb mode, you just want to make sure that you don't have do not disturb mode enabled. If you do, that's probably going to end up causing some problems there as well. And that's another really big thing I'd recommend trying to avoid. Now, if you do that and that's still not working, you might have to go through and try restarting your phone, or you might have to try going through and try updating your Amazon application. So try doing that, and hopefully that'll end up fixing it for you. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.